Are you looking for the best creeper seats for mechanics? In this video, we will break down the top 4 creeper seats for mechanics on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. Omega Black Low Profile Z Creeper. The Omega 91452 Black Low Profile Z Creeper is great for mechanics, technicians, and other professionals who need an extra work surface. The low-profile design gives you more room to maneuver, while the 450-pound capacity ensures that you'll be able to handle even the heaviest equipment. The thick padded cushions provide added support and help to reduce fatigue. With a capacity of 450 pounds, this creeper is built to withstand heavy use. With 6 swivel casters, this creeper can go anywhere you need it to. The sturdy build ensures that you can rely on it to handle up to 450 pounds. This Omega 91452 Black Low Profile Z Creeper is ideal for mechanics and other professionals who need to get under cars or other equipment. The foldable body style allows for different positions of use, adding a sitting position, allowing the user comfort for different jobs. With a capacity of 450 pounds, this creeper is strong and sturdy enough to handle any task. This low-profile creeper is perfect for mechanics, do-it-yourselfers, and anyone who needs to get under a car or other object. The large size accommodates up to 450 pounds, and the comfortable cushion makes it easy to work for extended periods of time. Made from durable materials, this creeper is built to last. At number 2. Whiteside Manufacturing Professional HD Mechanics Seat. Lying down isn't the only position you'll be when working on your car. Sitting on a rolling shop stool like this one from Whiteside Manufacturing definitely beats squatting to reach low parts. A strong contender for the best creeper seat, this accessory has a ground clearance of 3 and 3.4 inches. It also features 3-inch oil-resistant wheels that easily swivels, whichever direction you're going to. What's more, it's comfortable. This seat has a high back and is padded to help keep you at ease while you're working. It's also durable because of its tubular steel frame. Plus, this seat has a high weight capacity. It can support a weight of 300 pounds without any difficulty. This creeper seat also has a broad base with a 15-inch square storage tray for your small parts and tools. The tray even has a magnetic strip to keep everything secure. At number 3. Performance Tool 40-inch Folding Creeper. With the weight capacity to handle a whopping 350 pounds, this is a good one to look up to for your prolonged everyday applications. Its benefits go beyond that. It also folds to allow for convenient transportation and storage. We select these products as the best creepers for the money for its overall performance. Overall, the Performance Tool brand created an amazing creeper product. To add to these, it is also resistant to weather, lighter in weight, and extremely comfortable to sleep on and work. You will find it ideally suited for garage and automotive applications. Some heavy-duty fresh weave fabrics combine with a steel powder-coated frame for added strength. The unique body fitting and padded headrest give this product the edge. At number 4. ProLift Gray Creeper Seat and Stool Combo. This combination of creeper seat and step stool offered by ProLift is a good option for those who need a greater range of access in their workshops. Its users love its versatility, but many experience problems with loose casters and several purchasers complain about instability when used as a stool. This 2-in-1 product gives extra comfort while sitting on it and allows you to reach things when stepping on it. It features 5 swivel caster which provides easy maneuverability. The tool tray provides you with convenience and a tidy workspace. If you are looking for a creeper seat and step stool combo, this might be a good pick. In general, users have a favorable opinion of this creeper seat and step stool combo, and they praise its functionality and versatility. Moreover, they like the tool tray feature. However, several purchasers are strongly dissatisfied with the casters. One of them states that casters snapped off during first use. Moreover, another buyer says that after a year and a half casters have become very loose or snapped off. Another buyer complains about the stability of the product when used as a stool. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.